Techno Industrial Products offers CRBU2 Series Pneumatic Cylinder. The pneumatic cylinder converts the pressure energy of a compressed air medium into mechanical energy in the form of linear or rotary motion. These cylinders are vastly used in automation industry, medical industry, food industry, and many other DIY projects. Rotary Actuator Series CRBU2 is a 3-mount style rotary actuator with direct mounting available in 6 types of direct mounting. Through the adoption of specially designed seals and stoppers, a rotary angle of 270 degrees has been achieved for the first time in a compact vane-style actuator. To support thrust and radial loads, bearings are used throughout the series. It is convenient for the use in different occasions. All series are attached with magnets so that it is easy to control. Now we are seeing working of these cylinders, available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.